Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category. At the last position we have here the watermark option, so by using the button from the right we can turn it on and off as we need. To manage it we have to tap to the center, and as you can see here we get access to more options. We can also turn it on and off here as we need, and when we have it turned on we can see short preview how the watermark look like at this device. So Samsung camera shot with my Galaxy Cover 5. We can here manage the second line and change it, for example, to shot by HardReset. Here we can pick done to save it, and this is how it looks like on the preview. Now let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see it at the real one. Now let's move to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our picture with watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it, and of course when we don't need it or need just a device one or another composition with our custom, we have to go back to the camera and tap to the left corner, slide down to the useful features and turn it off here, or just tap on it and manage it as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.